don't skip this, because in this video I'll be giving you a complete no-brainer guide to start a profitable YouTube channel from scratch as an African creator. Hey guys, aspiring YouTubers, I am David and this is Valutal TV, and I welcome every one of you to my comprehensive guide on how to start a YouTube channel from scratch, especially tailored for African creators. Whether you are in Lagos, Nairobi, Accra or Lome, anywhere on the continent or even in the diaspora, this video is your roadmap to YouTube success. So let's dive in. Step 1, you need to define your niche. The first thing you need to do here is to know what you are passionate about. What unique perspective can you offer as an African creator? You need to be able to answer these questions. So let me help you out with some of the popular niches that are thriving presently in Africa. We have what we call the tech review and tutorial niche. We have the African cuisine and cooking niche. We have the natural hair care and beauty niche. We have the African music and entertainment niche. We have educational content niche. We have faceless video niche. We also have gossips, gist, biographics and history niche. We also have of a recent, due to the advent of AI, what we call the African four-tail video niche. So you need to be able to pick which niche syncs with you. Here is a real-life example of Mark Angel comedy from Nigeria. They found success by creating relatable humorous skits about everyday African life. Their unique niche helped them become one of the most subscribed YouTube channels in Africa. So you need to be able to define that niche. Step 2, you need to set up your channel. So I will take you through screenshots of how to set up your YouTube channel so that you will be able to start. The first thing you need to do is to sign in to your YouTube app or on your desktop. Then click on your profile picture, and remember, I need to say that once you have a Google account, you are good to go on YouTube. So click on create channel. After you have done that, then you need to choose a custom name, and of course that should be a brand name that you want to be known on YouTube. Then you need to fill in your channel name and click on create. So as a tip, I want you to choose a name that easily syncs with what you do, and it is very easy to remember for you and those that will be watching your channel. Example of African YouTube channels are shown below. So step 3, I need you to optimize your channel. You need to optimize your channel. Once your channel is created, it's time for you to optimize it. So how do you do that? You need to create an eye-catching channel banner, and you do that with an app called Canva. Canva will help you to do that. And number 2, you need to upload a recognizable profile picture. Look for a profile picture that speaks about your brand, something compelling. You need to upload it. After that, you need to write a compelling about section. Here is an example of an about section you can model after. The next is for you to create channel section to organize your content. And how to do that, you need to first of all create your playlist. You need to create your playlist, and here's an example of how to create your playlist. So A real life example of a channel like that I follow online is the channel of Fisayo Fosudo. He is a tech YouTuber, a popular one in Nigeria. Notice how his channel art looks like. Notice his profile picture. Look at his about section. You see, it all clearly communicates his brand and content focus. So this is what you also should do. Model after this thriving YouTube channel. Look at what they do and find a way around it. Even if my video is not exhaustive enough, there are other videos online that will teach you all of this stuff. So step 4, you need to plan your content. You need to plan your content. So before you start filming, you stand before the camera, you need to plan what we call your content strategy. And how do you do that? You need to be able to decide how frequent you want to upload your videos. Is it once in a week? Is it twice a week? But I advise that if you are starting newly on YouTube, you must at least upload at least 3 videos every week. So it's a lot of work, but you get the result in record time. Then number 2, you need to plan your first 10 video ideas. GPT and other AI tools will help you out with video ideas. Or if you can't do that, you can go to other YouTube video channel that you want to emulate and look at how their video is. Then you need to also research trending topics in your niche. So as a pro tip that I want to share with you, you can make use of a tool called Google Trend. Google Trend will show you what is trending, what is popular in your country or in your region. So here's an example of Google Trend, a trend ongoing in Nigeria as at now. So you can follow that. Then step 5 is what we call the equipment essential. Actually, you don't need expensive equipment to start. Here's what you need. You need a smartphone with a decent camera, a very sharp camera that will bring out the best video output for you. You need a simple tripod or phone stand. So you also need a natural lighting or affordable ring light. Then 4, you need a microphone. Actually, it's optional because if you have a very good phone, the audio output also at least is still good for a starter. So we have many successful African YouTubers started with just a smartphone. I use a smartphone. So if you are watching this video, it was shot by a smartphone. So the step 6 of it is what we call filming and editing your first video. Now let's talk about creating your first video. The first thing you need to do is to script or outline your videos. Then you need to find a quiet place to film it. Then you need to pay attention to the lighting and the framing. And then please make sure you speak clearly and with energy. And for editing, you can start with free softwares like InShots. It's actually a mobile app. You can get it on Android and of course on iOS. We also have CapCut. It's also on mobile and desktop. This is my favorite. If you are watching this video, it was shot and edited with CapCut. Then we also have DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere. Is also a desktop app that you can use in editing this video. Though my video will not be able to contain details of how to edit videos, but subsequently I should be able to create videos that will attend to this. So remember, your early videos won't be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's okay. The key thing is that you need to improve, and over time you'll get used to it. Here you have it, guys. You are now ready to start your YouTube journey. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and consistency. You need to keep creating, you need to keep learning and keep growing. So if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumb up, subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Drop a comment below, and in that comment I want you to tell me which challenge you are facing currently in your YouTube journey. Let me know. I'd love to hear that from you. Until next time, this is David saying action to your YouTube dream. Bye for now.